everyone! Welcome back to my channel.
Momsy, are we going to make my favorite oatmeal cookies?
Yes, we're going to make the oatmeal cookies. You know what are the ingredients?
Our ingredients are eggs, butter, brown sugar, oatmeal, flour, white sugar, and baking soda.
Now let's begin. Put the butter on the bowl. Go put. Okay, now wait. And we need to cream the butter. Once it's creamed like this, put the white sugar. Put it. And the brown sugar. Brown sugar. And beat again. Now put the eggs.
Even that thing?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. No.
Wait.
No more.
No, there's like a grip.
Okay, I'll go.
And then
What's next? The flour. Only this one.
why does this look like? Why does that look like two eyes in a mouth?
What?
Look.
Oh, it looks like a robot. Oh, be careful. And put the baking soda. More? More?
That's all.
Oh. Want to mix? Mix.
Oh, so
Don't over mix. Oh, enough. And then put the
oatmeal.
yes. Oh.
It like covered the whole thing.
Yeah. And then get the flour like this. Yeah, like that.
What is this
Ano?
for?
Ganito, I will teach you how. Just scoop. That's a big, big cookies.
And then
Wait. And then, wait. Put mo dito. Like this. I will teach you how. This one.
oh, that's for doing that.
Make it a circle.
And then
And then
this.
put it. Put it. Oh, yan. Okay. Oh, more. Like,
Oh my god. What?
ipit mo ko.
Like that?
Yan. Oh, ipit.
Oh, let's add
next.
Okay.
Okay, more.
Just one more row.
And then, Dali. Oh. Oh, dali.
I'm using my left hand.
Ha? Ano tayo lumabas? Ay, yan oh. Wala ka naman lakas. O, dali. Ano na lang. 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Two more. I'm gonna put the chocolate. I'll get the chocolate. Get the chocolate put on top. Oh, put. And then put the chocolate on top. Put it. Put it.
Right there?
Oh. He wants chocolate on it. Just press it like this.
You can do it without chocolate or with chocolate.
And we need to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Ano ba yung signal?
Rolling.
Huh?
Rolling.
Rolling? What's rolling? Oh, I thought it's roll. Oh.
That's roll.
Roll. Roll. Akala ka roll. It's roll pala, roll. How about the TikTok? Ten, ten, ten. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, ten. That's how it's roll. Okay. Oh, how? Ganun? How? Ten, ten, ten. Ten, ten, ten. You.
Which one?
Oh, this one.
Savage.
Okay. Yeah, that one. Okay.
Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get too far.
I don't know the rest. There might be more, or I don't know.
Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. After 10 minutes, turn off the oven and wait for 3 to 5 minutes before removing the cookies. After 5 minutes, remove the cookies.
Auntie, can I try it now?
Yeah, sure. Oh, okay. Oh, toast. Cheers. Is it hot? No.
From this hot.
Oh, it's crunchy in the outside, soft on the inside. No, it's chewy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Momsy Alice Kitchen. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Oh, eat more.